In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends while you are in game here in Hytale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But essentially, go ahead and get loaded into whatever world you're trying to have your friends join. And once you are in that world, what you are going to want to go ahead and do is hit escape or pause and then go into this online play section right here where you're going to want to tick on online play. This is going to allow other players to join. Make sure that you wait for this little like share code to generate right here and then go ahead and hit save. Alternatively, you can also create a password as well. It really is up to you. But once you've copied your share code, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is send it over to your friends by any means. And after you do go ahead and send it over to them, here's what they're going to need to do. From the main menu of their screen, they're going to need to go to servers and then hit join via code. And in this section, this is where they're going to paste in that code. After pasting in that code, and yes, it is going to be obnoxiously long, they're going to want to hit join. And after that, they'll join your world instantly. Now, if this doesn't work, don't panic. There is a lot of errors because this game still is in early access. For example, your ISP may be blocking peer-to-peer hosting, your UPnP may be disabled on your router, or the network or NAT restrictions could be affecting it. I have a full guide breaking down how you can fix this. But a quick fix that I would recommend trying first is just having your friend host. A lot of times their internet setup will allow hosting whenever yours doesn't. But if you're still having issues and codes still are not working, what you're going to want to do is get a dedicated server. And that's essentially where a hosting provider like Simple Game Hosting comes in. I'm not sponsored by them. I really wish I was, but I have a full video breaking down how you can access that. But it really is as simple as that. That is, you can go ahead and invite your friends here in Hytale. Super simple, just open your world, share the code. If it fails, try a different heist. If needed, use a server. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.